Local news for Thursday, the 10th of August. Wings over Wairarapa Chair Bob Francis has confirmed the dates for the 2019 Air Festival. The next one will take place on the 22nd, 23rd and 24th of February. Mr Francis says while we could not put on the 2017 Air Show this year due to the awful weather, we are able to transfer a lot of the flying program, groundside activities and night show program to the 2019 festival. The Magataderi Restoration Society, in conjunction with Carterton and Greater Wellington Regional Council, is inviting the public to help plant trees, part of Carterton's sustainable wastewater irrigation project on Daleton Farm. From 10 a.m. Saturday, refreshments will be provided during the day, and volunteers are simply asked to bring gumboots and a spade. And the Wellington Regional Council Emergency Management Group are reminding people how important it is to know where their community emergency hubs are in the event of a disaster. There are 18 hubs in Wairarapa from Morrisville to Martinborough, and more information can be found on the Get Prepared website. And in sport, in local netball tonight, first round winners Celtic play Wairarapa College. Tomorrow night, Harcourts play Gladstone Gold and Carterton take on St Matthews. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.